Hey chaps, and welcome back to Tom's World. I'm so glad you could take the time to visit today. Hope everyone's doing great. Well, a short video update on the goings on in our vast production facilities. Yeah, I'm doing great. We've got a few projects on the go and I wanted to update everyone on our progress. We managed to get an episode of Model Stuff posted. We took a look at two companies that supply Diorama Materials, the Scenic Factory and Plus Models. If you work on dioramas and want to check out some really unique and hyper-realistic materials, then that video is definitely worth a look. So mosey on down to the channel and click on the video and enjoy. I also started digging through the Trumpeter KV1 kit that arrived at our doorstep. Usually the mailman terrorizes us with bills, but this time with model box under arm, I was actually glad to see the guy. On first blush, the kit looks sweet indeed. This is the first Trumpeter kit we'll be tackling in the series, and I'm a bit of a Russian armor virgin, having never built a Soviet vehicle before. But we love model building adventures and drama, so I'm stoked for this project. Look out for an unboxing episode of this kit coming up, and the build video will follow shortly thereafter. One thing I love about model building is the people I meet through the hobby. I connected with a gentleman by the name of John Emery on Facebook. He's a remarkable guy, Army veteran and model builder, but he started this interesting charity, Models for Troops. As its name suggests, they provide kits and model supplies to active and retired service members, and of course to our magnificent wounded warriors. The program supports rec therapy at VA hospitals across the US and morale welfare centers for active duty personnel. Inside baseball is that the troops really like muscle cars and modern armor kits, so if you have something in your stash that can be pressed into service, or if you spare a few bucks, contact John through his Facebook page or website. Look for the links in the comments below. So about now you're saying, well Tom, where the hell is my build video? Well, we're on it. Our little Tamiya M5A1 is coming along. The major sub-assemblies are done, our parts are cleaned up, and we're ready for paint and weathering. I recently landed a new job, so my hands were kind of full with that, but the bench is weeping for attention, and we'll be giving our little Stuart some love real soon. The video is in the pipeline, so watch out for it. And finally, I wanted to tell you about a video that I can't really tell you anything about. It's so controversial, so incendiary that we're keeping it under wraps for now. All I'm at liberty to say is that we'll be unleashing it on you guys soon, so we're reinforcing our perimeter and bracing for the inevitable waves of outrage. Stay tuned. Just wanted to send out a big huge thank you to all our new subscribers. Nothing like increasing the amount of people that can watch me fail. But if you haven't subbed yet and want to get in on the mirth and merriment, then click the big red shiny button and join us. Otherwise, leave us a like, dislike, or express your displeasure in the comments. Until next time, it's never really too early to start bugging your family for model Christmas gifts. Until then, stay well and all the best.